Alright guys, what's going on? I'm finally here. Finally found the time to do my hater pipe. I'm gonna make it a really quick video. I'm not gonna go too in depth, but I'm gonna be a little bit more helpful than some of the other videos out there for sure. So basically, I'm gonna start by undoing the cap back from the front pipe. I'm gonna loosen that up, and then when I loosen that up, I can take it off the over pipe, and then from the over pipe move to the headers, and I should be able to just plug and play. So we're gonna try it that way, see if that works. Alright, so we're kind of doing 2-in-1 right now. Waldo's trying to fix my return line because my return line hose is not all the way down, and so it's leaking from the bottom and spraying oil everywhere. So that's a problem. So, and then right now we're getting we took the over pipe off, so now we got the hater pipe. I guess it's the over pipe for the hater pipe. So we just fed it through. He's gonna put the gasket and the screws that we already had, basically the stock ones that we had. And then if you look in the back, right here, the hater pipe is not gonna go straight through. It's not gonna fit unless you unscrew this and then put this washer in between the screws, and that's gonna basically keep your harnesses and everything safe so the hater pipe can go straight out. But yeah, this has to be removed. Put this on and then the screw on top of it, and that'll just protect your harnesses and make sure your hater pipe's lined up to come out the right way.
I've never seen this kid wrench on a car. Not me? Yeah. Yeah, basically.
Alright, so it's in. Basically just trying to figure out how to get this harness out the way. So we're just gonna tape it to this, retape it, and should keep it well and clear. Drive around, see if it holds. If not, we'll just move it again. Keep going, homegirl. Come on this side a little bit. There we go. That's one way to do it. Alright, so we need to get... This is the sketchiest thing ever.
Got a fucking finger off with that shit.
Alright, technique. And we're trying because this thing's a fucking nightmare. We're drawing it out little by little. He's cutting it with these fucking Thor scissors. And then we're just using the fucking cutter to kind of clean up the mess. But this is super sketch. I don't like this at all, dude. So we're getting pretty close. We're going super slow because I'm trying to be super careful. There's no way you're gonna make this neat. Or maybe we just have shit tools.
It's better than how I have been cutting.
Put this shit down because you're gonna get metal shards everywhere, and I'm pretty sure there's some stuff in there that's not supposed to be, and we'll see what happens. Alright, bring it down.
Okay, so we need to go more on this side. So where's that pen at?
I'm gonna draw it. Alright, so we're pretty close. How ugly it looks without the cover. That's what it's gonna look like. Ish. No longer a sleeper. Alright, so what we're doing now is, we thought that the rivets would fit, but when you get them out the box, they're not gonna be fit. See how it's not gonna go in? So what we're doing is basically just getting a drill bit just a tiny bit larger and basically making that hole just a little bit bigger. And then what I do is I'll just turn it, check it, and then move to the next one. Halfway done.
I'm perfect. Got it.
Don't fuck up, Wallen.
I'm not.
Look at, just make sure that angle is good. Come on, use that Pornhub grip, bro. Come on.
Alright. That's perfect right there.
Yeah. Alright, here.
Oh, there's space in this.
Oh, that's good, alright.
This gun is ass. There you go. Last one.
Go for it, do the honors, bro.
There you go. Watch I like fuck it up and pops up.
They'll probably kill us.
Straight into the fucking eye.
There she is.
You know, like a whole fucking,
Let go!
a whole 86.
So you want to see something cool?
You're gonna burn out like
No, I'm not gonna burn out. I'm gonna see if I can shoot something real quick.
No. Alright, go ahead.
Alright guys, so this is only technically day one of having the hater pipe. Put it on last night. There's a lot of fucking pros, and I don't really have any cons except for one thing. As you can see, my exhaust, or the hater pipe, is actually hidden up against the strut tower, and that makes for a nasty fucking noise. Like, especially since I have a stage 3 clutch and it's just super rattly, I think that vibration just echoes and carries here, and it's just so fucking loud, and everyone looks and it's like, oh my god, this guy's about to stall. But in reality, it's just the shit banging against this. I'm just gonna use heat tape, like a thin heat tape I found, and I'm gonna wrap this basically, and hopefully the plan is to dampen out the noise, and it should be good because, I mean, it's rated for exhaust. So alright, just a really quick messy wrap. Here's what it looks like. Just took maybe like 3 feet or so. I basically put it on over here, put zip ties, and then I slid it over. The exhaust is a little hot. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot, test it out, and see if I hear any rattle. But I'm thinking this is gonna work. This is pretty thick tape, and I got maybe like 3 or 4 wraps right there where they connect. So should be good. Oh yeah, that sounds so much better. So much better. Like every time I would start it, it would just go like just clanking noises. So far, just based off the startup, I think it's 100% effective, and it keeps it a little bit quieter too. I'm gonna go ahead and drive around, test it out.